Hi everyone, I'm going to show you today how to use a roll hem foot on your commercial or industrial sewing machine. So the roll hem foot on a commercial machine is pretty much the same as a foot you can buy on a domestic sewing machine. What you do is feed the fabric in through here, and this foot turns it twice and stitches it down. So it's a very quick way of finishing a hem. However, they are notoriously tricky to get the hang of. So a couple of tricks before you get started is try and only use them for light fabrics. Try not to use them around curves because they don't work well on curves, and just take your time mastering the technique on scrap fabric before you go ahead and use your finished garment to hem it. So you can buy these in different widths and you need to pattern make them depending on the width that you have finished. So let's get some fabric and I'll show you how to use it. So I'm going to show you how to use this on this very light chiffon fabric. Hopefully you'll be able to see it nice and easily. And just note the edge that I'm going to use is nice and smooth. There's not too many jagged bits cut out. So make sure you use a roller cutter or something that's going to give you a nice smooth starting point. Other people will tell you different ways with this roller foot. I always find it easier just to start off by double turning it before it gets anywhere near the machine. So I'm going to double turn it, and although I normally wouldn't, I'm just going to pop a pin to hold that in place. Just going to place it under my foot, and when it's all there nice and securely, I'm removing my pin and I'm just going to sew 2 or 3 stitches just to start this off. Now once I've started this off, what I do then is I lift the presser foot, and then with that second fold I'm just going to lift it up and through the threader bar and then place that down again. What I find is it just gives an easier start. And then continue stitching. And as you can tell, it gives you a nice finish here. Now, as you can tell as well, I am helping this along by double turning it, but you don't have to. You can just let the machine do it itself, but I'm all for making sure that the garment ends up beautifully finished. So I do like to try and help it on its way to get the best possible result. So here is our finished narrow rolled hem. As you can see, there's small amounts of fraying from the edge of the fabric coming through. So that's what I meant when I said make sure you use a roller cutter or have a very smooth edge when you start. So go ahead and practice that. Practice definitely makes perfect with this foot. It can be quite a tricky one to master. So thanks for joining me, and I look forward to you joining me again soon.